The GoPro Hero 12 Black has garnered significant acclaim for its impressive 5.3K video resolution, coupled with outstanding stabilization technology. This combination makes it an excellent choice for enthusiasts of extreme sports, as it allows for the capture of high-quality footage even in the most challenging environments. Moreover, its waterproof capabilities further enhance its versatility, ensuring that adventurers can document their experiences, whether on land or beneath the waves. Transitioning to the DJI Osmo Action 3, this camera distinguishes itself with its innovative dual screens and advanced Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization. These features empower users to frame their shots with remarkable precision, regardless of the activity. Additionally, its modular design offers unparalleled customization options, enabling users to adapt the camera for various outdoor and underwater endeavors, thus enhancing its appeal to a diverse array of filmmakers. Shifting focus to the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition, this camera is celebrated for its versatile capabilities and unique attributes that cater to a multitude of filming requirements. Its design makes it suitable for an extensive range of creative projects, from immersive 360-degree shots to traditional video formats. This adaptability positions the Insta360 One RS as a favorite among content creators who value creativity in their storytelling. Furthermore, the significance of stabilization technology in action cameras cannot be overstated. It ensures that footage remains smooth and professional, even in the face of challenging shooting conditions. This advancement is particularly vital for dynamic filming scenarios, where movement and unpredictability are commonplace, reinforcing the necessity of robust stabilization features in today's cameras. In addition to stabilization, waterproof capabilities are indispensable for adventure seekers, facilitating underwater filming without sacrificing image quality. Cameras such as the Garmin Verb Ultra 30 excel in this aspect, providing users with the confidence to explore aquatic environments while capturing stunning visuals. This ability to operate seamlessly both above and below water expands the creative possibilities for filmmakers and adventurers alike. Lastly, user-friendly features like voice control and intuitive interfaces significantly enhance the filming experience. These functionalities streamline the process of capturing those fleeting moments, making it easier for users to focus on their surroundings rather than fiddling with settings. This is particularly beneficial for vloggers and casual users who want to document their lives effortlessly, thereby broadening the accessibility of high-quality video production.